Hisense washing machine that is not rotating. The drum is not moving, so let's try it on a spin. That's 12. The door is locked. It's now draining. So the drum is not rotating. So we'll open the behind. Let's see if the motor is rotating and the belt is intact. And then immediately it gives us that F-06 error. So F-06 is a motor related error. So we'll open the machine. Let's see what we find out. So what you're going to do, I'll just pull the machine forward and then I'll open the back panel. So ensure the machine is unplugged from power. The belt is intact, motor is intact, so we have to check why it's not moving. The drum is moving, so the drum has no issue, so let's move the belt. So we plug it back, still giving us the same error. Always unplug. We want to test the carbon brushes. So one terminal you put it this side, and the other one we put it this side. Put it on spin. That's 12, and then we start it. So there's a clicking sound from the motherboard. That's the sound, clicking sound, and the motor won't rotate. So this is a Hisense automatic, fully automatic washing machine motor. Okay, so components of this motor is we have two carbon brushes. We have this one and this one. It's always a pair. And then we have the hull sensor. This is the hull sensor. This is the hull sensor, the sensor. And then we have the armature. This is the armature, the one rotating. This one is the armature. And the copper wires, these ones here. And your belt now lies here. So when it's moving, the belt is always here. So this is what moves the belt. It's connected, it's fully connected to the armature and to this side. And then these are the mounting, where we mount on the drum. So this goes into the drum, onto the drum, and then the two bolts come here, one here and the other one here.